Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to the Cooperative Voice. Good morning to all our listeners on Q95. Good morning to all our persons viewing online on MO News and all the various social media pages. Good morning, welcome to the Cooperative Voice. I am your host, Lilia Samuel Benjamin, and this morning we are speaking about all things Christmas. I mean, we have been speaking to the credit unions for the last few weeks about their different Christmas loan products, and we have the last credit union with us, but not the least, this morning we have Mrs. Henderson Reed from Central Cooperative Credit Union. Good morning. Welcome back to the show. You're not a stranger. How are you doing this morning?
Good morning. How are you? No, I am not a stranger. It's a pleasure to be with you this morning.
Yes, good morning. So this morning we are speaking about Make It Merry Christmas Loan. So we're just asking our listeners out there on Radio Land and on social media, have you applied for your credit your Christmas loan as yet? And if not, what are you waiting for? So Mrs. Henderson Reid, we know you have the Make It Merry $10,000 loan. Speak to the listening public about the Make It Merry $10,000 loan.
Okay. Yes, we are giving. I say giving, giving away money. We have our Christmas loan, our Make It Merry loan. It's the
Mhm.
fifth year of this loan. Thanks to Central, everybody now knows they need to give a loan at Christmas. It was birthed. Christmas loan was birthed at Central Credit Union, Goodwin, and Portsmouth. Okay, so borrow up to $10,000 in our Make It Merry loan. You can use the money for anything Christmas, for gifts for the children, to paint the house, to buy your carpet, to buy your rugs, to buy your meat, anything you want to do um, for the Christmas season. This loan
Mhm.
covers that.
Okay, so
And
if I want to apply for the loan, a question before you go on. If I want to apply for the loan and I want to repaint my house, do I need to go and get invoices for paint, or do I just come in and say, hey, I want to take a Make It Merry loan?
no, you don't need to get invoice for paint. We would
Okay.
not put you through that. I mean, if you want to paint your house or you
Hmm.
want to take the money to buy seeds to plant a farm,
Okay.
it's your Christmas wish, whatever your Christmas wish is. Um,
Okay.
you will use the funds for that. The monthly for $10,000, you pay back $225
Okay.
month. If you take less than 10,000, your payback will obviously be lower.
Mm-hmm.
We also have a compulsory saving attached to this, so it's our way to help you save.
Ensure
We
you
know
have some money. Mm-hmm.
yeah, at this time in the economy, a lot of people are struggling to save,
Yes.
and so that is your opportunity to save something voluntarily.
Yes.
For wet days,
Mm-hmm.
when you put something aside. And we also have a raffle of $500 cash. Somebody can win $500 cash in addition to whatever loan amount that they take.
Okay,
Um,
so once the member have applied for the Make It Merry loan, they automatically enter into the draw?
yeah, you automatically qualify.
Oh, nice.
So, yes, at the end of the promotion,
Mm-hmm.
I will run a report and pull all your names.
Okay.
So
So
it's not, you do not have.
basically, you get an opportunity to get a loan and as well get a chance, to win $500 in cash.
Right. So you don't have to uh write your name on the back of any receipt or anything like that. You just, once you're approved, I will, at the end of the promotion, I will get the data and
Okay.
you will automatically be entered in the draw. That's the beauty about it. You don't have to do anything extra. I'll do
Anything.
everything for you and help you to win some money.
Okay.
What you would
Hmm.
need your job letter, at
Okay.
least 6 months
Mhm.
old. So some people may have had, you may have applied for a vehicle loan here or maybe a mortgage, and
Okay.
so you would have had your job letter and it's still valid because it's not older than 6 months. We'll use that.
Okay.
Yes. And you have your two most recent salary slip that you must get because every month you get paid.
Mm-hmm.
So we're in December and your two most recent salary slip would be November and October.
Yes.
And you also bring a valid picture ID. We
Mm-hmm.
also ask you to do credit reports. It's not because we want to know your business, but it's because we want to know how we can offer you something even better and
Okay.
maybe consolidate all your debts and bring you to Central as your financial home, your financial institution of choice.
Okay, perfect. A question I normally get, and after I interview everybody from the credit union, persons tend to meet me on the street and say, "What if I am self-employed? What if I have my own business? How can I apply for these loans?" So if somebody is self-employed, what do they require to be able to apply for the loan? Because that is a question I normally get. Persons meet me in the street, they say they listen to the different programs, but they want to know, as self-employed persons, how do they apply? What do they need? Because I know I'm employed, I can bring in my two salary slips and my job letter and we're good to go. What about those who are self-employed?
Okay, if you are self-employed, we always encourage you to keep your financials in order.
Okay.
So you would have to bring your registration, like your business will have to be registered.
Yes.
I mean, you should not be operating a business and it's not registered. That is not good. So you bring your registration information, your business information. You bring
Okay.
your bank statements,
Mm-hmm.
your standing orders,
Mm-hmm.
and we will look at where you are and what you can afford. It's the
Okay.
same thing like the salary people. We look at what you can afford,
What you can afford.
and you do have to do credit reports as well, because we know you may have loans other places, and we also are trying to bring you across to one financial home where you pay back something reasonable, and at
Mm-hmm.
the end of the month you don't have $63 net. We trying to help you to be, to make financial decisions that are sound. And so we look at, every case is different, and so we look at every case.
Okay.
If you do not qualify as a self-employed person, if you do not qualify for the Make It Merry loan, then
Mm-hmm.
we're going to find a loan for you.
Okay.
We're not going to turn you away. We're going to find something reasonable for you that will work out for you as
Okay.
well. Okay,
Okay.
so we're not going to tell you, oh, well, you can't afford Make It Merry, bye bye. We're going to find, there's a loan at Central, there's a loan for everybody, and there's a loan for
Everybody.
everything. All right,
Okay.
there's a loan for everything for everybody. So no matter who you think you are, where you think you work, or what business you think you own, a small business, we'll find a loan for you. Just come.
Okay, so our self-employed members, we have not forgotten you at the Central Cooperative Credit Union.
Not at
They
all.
will work with you. So I noticed on your flyer that the promotion runs until December 21st. So persons have only one more week to go before the Make It Merry loan is over. But what I love about the flyer is that it says make no payments until January 2024. So if you were somebody who took advantage of the loan offerings in November, you would have skipped a payment in December and you would have started in January. So if you have been following Central
That's
Cooperative,
two payments.
two payments. So if you have been following their social media pages and you took advantage of that, then congratulations to you because I mean we all understand the current times and all extra is welcome. So if you get to
And
keep
plus,
a little
January has
something,
90 days.
yes, 90 days I believe is correct.
January has 90 days. So we understand. We
Yes.
understand. So yes, make no payment in January. So we want to ensure that you enjoy your Christmas season. I mean, some people do, they do want to proceed with paying from November, and that is
Mhm.
amazing. That's very
Okay.
good. But we give you the option of not paying until January because we understand how it is. We understand how it is Christmas time when you have those children that have a list longer than, because they believe in Santa. They don't know Santa don't have no money. It's mommy and daddy.
With mommy and daddy.
So, they have a list from here to England. So you have to really try to, not make them have a sad Christmas. So you have to, do what you have to do. And this is why we have to make it merry, because we understand the needs of the children. We understand the needs of the parents. Even the parents want to have a good Christmas. You want to have a relaxed Christmas too. And so you do what you have to do.
Yes.
And that's why we
So
are here at Central. We are here. We are here
perfect.
for you. We are
Okay,
here
so
for
if
you.
I want to, somebody wants to apply, a member wants to apply for the Make It Merry loan. I know they can come into the branch. Can they also apply online? Is that a possibility, or can they send their information via email to the loans officer and make it easier?
Yes. So here's what we're doing.
Okay.
Where you come to make your appointment or you call to make your appointment,
Mm-hmm.
immediately we take your email address to send you the
Okay.
credit reports.
Okay.
And we
Great.
ask you to email or bring in the completed credit reports, the
Mm-hmm.
job letter, the two most recent salary statements, and the valid picture ID. That
Okay.
will help the process move quicker. So
Yes.
when you come in for your appointment, we already did the preliminary and it's just to give you your loan.
Okay.
So
Great.
we're trying to even, we say within 48 hours, but we're even
Mhm.
trying to make the process a little shorter. But now you can help us to make the process shorter. If you come to your appointment and you come with and no documents, you come with no documents.
Yeah, it's true. Then you
Um,
have to go back and get the documents.
right,
Yes, I
because you hear people say, "Oh, you have my loan for over a week." No, we don't
know.
have your loan for over a week. You have your loan for over a week because you bring a job letter today, we don't see you again. You bring a ID next week, we don't see you again. You bring the one recent salary, you bring
Yes,
the whole month, bring all your documents in. The
and it
process
goes
will be a
through.
month. But if you just follow the checklist and we give you the checklist, we
Okay.
tell it to you on the phone, we tell it to you on the radio, we tell it to you via social media, we tell it to you all the time. This is your checklist.
Hmm.
Please bring all the documents that we're asking you for, the job letter, the salary statement, everything. Bring everything in and let's just get it moving so you can get your money in quick time.
Okay. So if somebody wants to call into Central, Goodwill, or Portsmouth branch, what are the contact numbers that they should call?
Okay, so our loans department at
Mm-hmm.
Will is 767-275-5902. The number again is 767-275-5902. Our Portsmouth branch loans department is 767-275-2891. 767-275-2891. Okay,
Okay.
that's loans. If you're calling to inquire about any other thing, you have our accounts department at
Mm-hmm.
Goodwill is 767-275-2587. The number again is 767-275-2587. And our accounts department in Portsmouth is 767-275-6267. The number again is 767-275-6267. So you can contact us at any time. You can visit our website, myccul.com. It's myccul.com. Or you can go to our Facebook page, send us a message. We will definitely get back to you.
Okay, perfect. So you gave all the ways that a member and non-members can contact you. So persons listening, you hearing all the benefits to the members. So we are encouraging persons who are not members of the Central Cooperative Credit Union. Now is an
Join the
opportune
family.
time to become a member of Central and take advantage of the Make It Merry loan and other loan products that they offer. So, Mrs. Henderson Reid, persons want to become members of Central. What do they need to become a member? Can I just walk in and say, hey, I want to become a member of Central today?
You can do that, but it's best you can definitely do that. We're not gonna tell you no. We'll help you
Okay.
find. We'll help you get the documents that you need. But
Okay.
to become a member, you would
Mm-hmm.
first need to purchase one share. One share is $50,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have to pay the fees, which for the passbook and the other things comes up to $15. So to
Okay.
begin membership, you need $65. But of course, you need a little extra on your account because you
Mm-hmm.
won't want to open an account and have $0. So you bring a little extra something to put on the account. You need a valid picture ID and you need a proof of address. For
Okay.
those of us who have driver's license, we can use the driver's license as a proof of address, and you can use your passport or your Dominica Social Security card as your ID. In the case where you're using your driver's license as your ID, you will need another proof of address. It could be a statement, it could be a job letter. No, not a job letter. A statement, it could be a bill, it could be a letter from your other financial institution. Maybe you have another place that you bank with. You can get that as a proof of address. And
Okay.
you come in and you complete the forms at the branch
Mm-hmm.
locations. And welcome aboard. Welcome to the family.
And you're a member of the Central Cooperative Credit
You're
Union.
a member of the Central Cooperative Credit
So
Union.
you can walk into any of the branches of Central, the two branches, and say, hey, I have my information. I would like to become a member. And they will assist you, fill out the application form, and you are a member of the Central Cooperative Credit Union.
That
So
is
if you
correct.
would like to take advantage of the Make It Merry loan, as I said, and get an opportunity to win $500 while you take a loan, you can do that with Central Cooperative Credit Union. If you are a member, I hope that you have taken advantage of the Make It Merry loan. And if you have not, you have a week to go to take advantage.
You have
And
a
as
week to make your appointment.
Yes. So as Mrs. Henderson said, you can paint your house, you can buy your ham, whatever it is on your Christmas wish, Central is making it happen this year for you. Mrs. Henderson, the time is already on us. This is our last show for the year. So any words of wisdom, anything you'd like to tell the listeners of Q95 and that of our various social media pages before we leave?
Oh, sure, very sure. I wish you a very Merry Christmas.
Thank
For those who don't celebrate Christmas, but I wish you a very happy season
you.
and a very bright and prosperous 2024. If you've made it thus far in 2023, you are blessed because there's so many who left us along the way.
Yes.
And so, for those of us who are still here, let us give God thanks. Let us be grateful for what we have. Let us be grateful for the people around us. It's a blessing just to be in the presence of family and friends, especially this time of year. And so I wish you a very Merry Christmas. And to all our members, thank you for sticking with us another year. And we look forward to serving you next year and the year after that and the year after that one. And we have more loan products coming up for you, more products that suit you. And so, members, we just thank you for choosing us because you have so many other options, but you chose us, and we are so grateful for that.
Perfect. So thank you very much, Mrs. Henderson Reid, for being with us. Thank you for speaking to us about your Make It Merry loan. If you're not a member of Central Cooperative Credit Union, what are you waiting for to become a member? As I mentioned earlier, this is our last show for 2023. This is the last Cooperative Voice. It has been a pleasure. It has been an interesting year. We just want to thank our users of the Mlaja mobile wallet and all the various members of the Dominica Credit Union movement. We wish you well. We wish you a blessed and prosperous 2024. And as I've said, if you are not a member of any credit union, you still have a few days in the month to become a member of the Dominica Credit Union movement. We are the best in the region. I will boast that to everybody low away and close and away. So thank you very much for being with us. I had an amazing year this year with the Cooperative Voice and hope to see you guys in 2024. Thank you very much and have a good day, everybody. We will definitely see you guys next year.
L'argent, send me money. Receive money. Send me money. no more hassle.
L'argent, send me money, receive money, receive money.
L'argent, it's safe and secure.
L'argent, you want to send your money to friends and family.
No more standing in line.
L'argent,
it's a new digital financial service brought to you by the Dominica Credit Union movement. Introduces a new wallet solution, L'argent. Top up friends, pay bills, make shopping easy, extra secure. Sign up is absolutely free.
L'argent, you want to send your money to friends and family.
No more standing in line.
L'argent,
download the L'argent app today. See your credit union for more details. L'argent, your mobile payment solution.
L'argent.